So this video is going to be an interesting one. I'm going to do a not so common modification or accessory to this 2023 Toyota Tundra. I've been meaning to do this for quite some time now, and not just on this vehicle, on any vehicle. I'm super excited to do it, so enjoy it. See if you can guess what it is throughout the video. But here's the install, and enjoy the video. All right, the install is all done. It took me about 8 hours, 2 half days to do this, and it cost approximately $450 Canadian, which is $350 or so US. Of course, nothing really different about the truck here. This is a hidden mod. Here's the back. Yeah, of course you can't tell what it is, right? That's what I like so much about it. So here's what I did. These are the Hella MST6s. Right there, those little lights. There's that one. And I'll give you the light show in about just 1 second. I'll show you the front. The front I put right inside the grille. You can't see them here. They're actually inside there. There's one. And there's two. So yeah, something I always wanted to do. I love lights. Who doesn't love flashing lights? And of course, you can't have any other kind of flashing lights but these. So let's light this thing up and see how it looks. My childhood dream has come true. They're actually pretty bright. Here she is, all lit up. Actually looks pretty sick. And I think the amber, it almost matches the Raptor Toyota lights up there, whatever they are. It's not perfect. Let's see how the back looks. Decent. I'm gonna get the four-ways going in a second too on the truck. All right, we'll go through the other patterns here. That one's pretty cool. I'm gonna go to the back. Yeah, just flashing on and off. Yeah, I'm gonna see the front. Yeah, so these ones flash alternatively and the back flash together, so that's the difference in the sync. I don't mind it actually at the front. I might not change it. I like that pattern. Yeah, these patterns are cool. I don't even know which one I like the best. The one I had on first, when I initially tested it, I thought I liked that one. So these ones go together, and the other ones they alternate at the front. So I'll probably do the back so that they alternate also, because I like that alternating pattern. You can sync them different ways. And there's just solid on. Actually, that looks pretty cool. Check it out, it's just solid. So I have a little button right under here, it's hidden, to change the sync pattern or the splash pattern. Let me put the four-ways on here. Everything's flashing. The whole truck. I like it. I like it a lot. I don't know if you can see the turn signals on this camera because of the refresh rate. Yeah, you can see them. Who doesn't love flashing lights? Well, except when they're behind you, when you're getting pulled over. So yeah, I love it. Let me know what you guys think in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one.